Hi, I'm Vidit, and this is Intercept. So everything here is based on convex workflows. All agent orchestrations are running on convex, backend is on convex, and my data is coming from Orange Slice and Fiber, and OpenAI does the reasoning here. So what exactly is Intercept? So everyone's building point solutions. One is doing ads, one's doing finding leads, onboarding, and then you end up having 10 products. I just thought that was stupid. So I built Intercept. It's one-stop GTM solution. You come here, you put in your URL, let's say I say no longer jobless.com, and it would just pick up the URL and then start running. So what happens is once it runs, you can see this is the command center and this is my copilot Blip. He's gonna suggest you from time to time what you can do. So, and this is a 24/7 autonomous mode. Let's say I don't want to keep staring at my screen, I can just flip it on and go to sleep. It will do everything for me by itself. So the first thing here is reading minds. Okay, so what it does is instead of giving me like random leads, it will go check like who exactly is talking about my product or like a problem in where my product can help, and then it would just generate leads from there, and you can find these like real time. And once I get these leads, we go to outbound solution. That is, it would just find people and the companies where I can sell like my solution to. I can do marketing, and like this was a news from Zapier. So it gives you the source qualified, and it gives you drafted, sent, replied, and whatever we skip. All right. So also we have an email studio here. So let's say you wanna change how your email looks. You want to customize it to yourself, add headers, footer, URL, logo, whatever, and you can do that all. Also we have connected agent mail with it, so it would be pretty easy to send out the email. So you look at the draft here, and you can either approve or skip, and everything stays here. Also this is like a simulated prospect. So what it does is it predicts as per their reply of the people how likely they are, uh, like how likely is your email that they would just ignore or they would actually read it. And based on the score, you can always improve or re-simulate once you improve the thing. And next we go to is um, this is the basically ad intelligence. So this is like it goes to Meta, Google, and TikTok. So it looks at what are your competitors running their ads for like right now. So like here hire.org is running ads for like more than 1700 days. So this means like these ads definitely have good conversion. So here you can either generate similar or go view the ad. So that is basically how this thing works. And next, when you want to generate the ad, it will make a poster for you. It will give you the hooks and the content. And also you can drop here like a YouTube video or reel or any sorts of link. It will break it down, and it will look at the hooks and angles and why it works, and then also create you a video, like a video similar to or better than the app that's winning already. So next thing, it's very logical that when you want to post, you want to hack the algorithm. So you want to look at the best captions, the best hashtags, what works, what doesn't work, and what is trending at the moment. You'll see everything right here. And then it'll also give you basically what to do in the reel, and then it'll also make your content calendar, so that you can keep up with the content and be sure that you were posting regularly. We can also do a one click post from here because I've integrated Composio here. So essentially it would be just one click if you had to have something that it auto posts. So next thing, it is onboarding. So because we gave it the URL, So here it essentially dissected your URL, and then it gave you, a workflow that you can have for onboarding people just based on like what the website says. And then you can have activation flow, activation checklist, and this is like ready to embed kind of thing, and you can put it in your content. Next thing, this is a bit special to me. So this I built like for fun for myself. So what it is gonna do is it is essentially gonna look something like this. After 4 p.m. it's gonna go look at everybody's GitHub, and it's gonna compare with my product, how good or bad it is, and by probably 5:30 p.m. everything that is better in everybody else's platform, it would auto build for itself. Like we would have absolutely everything here in this particular dashboard. And this is the brain. I'm using GBrain, and I'm using Graphy to kind of make graphs out of it so that it grows with time. So it makes things, it understands your marketing, your thoughts over time, your branding better, and it would actually build up a graph for you. And also I have a win back algorithm where it will show you the customers you lost, and it would essentially show you why you lost them. So like here, a lack of integration with your existing systems, and it will also give you what you can tell to them and what can you send them. So it is a all in all one-stop solution. You can run it you know just like on the go. Also, here's a shared dossier, so you can, once you have run everything, you can just share the dossier in like one click. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It does everything end to end, one stop. You don't have to go anywhere else.